Welcome back to BrainBeats, where curiosity meets the mind. Florida has a serious python problem, and scientists just found a new hotspot. Researchers from the University of Florida discovered that Palm Beach County is crawling with Burmese pythons, an invasive species that's wreaking havoc on local wildlife. But how did they get here? Originally from Southeast Asia, these massive snakes were brought to the U.S. through the exotic pet trade. Some escaped. Others were released by owners who couldn't handle them, and over the decades, they've taken over the Everglades. These giants can grow over 18 feet long, weigh more than 200 pounds, and they eat everything from rabbits to alligators. With no natural predators, their population keeps exploding. Conservationists are fighting back by tracking, removing, and even training dogs to sniff them out, but the battle is far from over. Want more wild discoveries? Subscribe to BrainBeats and let us know what to explore next.